Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that y'all are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome y'all onto this channel. Ish, guys. Yeah. Check out this video and then so cool.
Kusho ukuthi ngolosibili mina ngiyethuka sengifonela ikhole eyangena ukuthi angizo umntwana selimele sekwaziwe ayo so sikhathi ngangisemsebenzini ngasuka lapho ngaya khona mangifike ngathola ukuthi umntwana ushonile useshonile kasekho esigamekweni ngangazi ukuthi ngenze njani ngabe lengadideka vele mina ngikwazi ukuyichaza kahle kahle njengamanje nje ayixoxeki kimi angikhona ukuyixoxa ngokuhlungu enginakho umntwana ngambona bemgwazile amanxeba mangifika kuye so angeke ngithi kukhona into engayikhopha entweni engayibonayo umntana wami loya akusiyi umafanana nami ngilindele lukhulu kuye bengimusa esikoleni ngoba ngifisa ukuthi naye mina ebe umuntu hayi ukuthi enqunywe njengenkomo so angeke ngithi akhulumeki ngathanda ukukhuluma kodwa akhulumeki ngiyabindwa makuvaya ngikhulume lento kuba nalento le evalayo la ekhaya ngangazi ukuthi ngizobabikela ngithini ngangihluleka ngiyibona nginecala ukuthi kusho ukuthi engane ukuthi ekhaya bengayigadile ngoba ingane ibihlala nami la yabo ingane ihlala nami silimele sishonile hayi nokuthi ilimele mhlawumbe ukuthi izobuya esibhedlela shonile hawu ibula abantu bemhubhe bemkhipha bemhubhe bembulele laba mbulele khona kusho ukuthi lapha esiduze kwalesi sihlahla lesi waqala wasilawonda uma ngibheka nje ngamehla enqondo ngoba ngalibona umbhudulo la beke berawunda khona ngabona ukuthi la ngabona namathonsi egazi ukuthi ubeke efohloza la so ayixoxeki nje mina kimi lento ayikhona kaxoxeka ngeke ngikwazi ukuyixoxa ukuthi ngayixoxa ngithini ngoba no driver owakhulumayo ukuyena umuntu wayekhona wayichaza ngendlela wayichaza ngakhona kodwa nje kimi kuyakusaduma ikhanda nje vele angazi ukuthi wachaza wathini ngokwethu wesigqoko wanginikeza yena wathi nasigqoko somfana wakho umazi ngaso mina lesi sigqoko lo mfana ungena abantu lapha ya mangehlisa izingane wangena laba abanye abatwana base red abahlala la kule red le ba phuca ingane igqoko abanye babashaya befuna ubathathela nezikhwama umthole eshonile efile awukwazi ukumbona umuntu oshonile ukuthi ukusiphi isimo ngoba ufile and ungokulimala ukhomba ukuthi bekehlina ezwa ubuhlungu into efana nalezo. Mina kimi bayafana bonke laba bantu, uma ngikhuluma nabo bayizwa into engikhuluma nabo. Fana noma into ongayifuni, into angiyifuni lento uzokwenza lento engiyifunayo yena. Uma ngithi mfana yenza kanje wenza kanje ngalela langa lela, uzokwenza kanjalo. Umbone sefika futhi elethele izinto engimthume zona ukuthi hambe ezenze. Be right. Kusuke kube nale pain leya engimbone kuyo. Ngimbonile mina elimele. Ngabona futhi ukuthi if bengifikile la bengeke kulungele lutho nami ngabe ngiboshiwe. Ngoba ngangeke ngivume ukubuka ingane yami ileza simo. Mina ngangeke ngisho ukuthi ngakwenzekele ini la abantu laba. Ngoba kuyafana umntana wami ngeke sabuya. Mina uma bengangibuyisela umntana wami manje ngeke kusazwakala uma ngisho kanjalo. Yabo. Ngithi mina intando kaBaba mayenzeke. Kusho ukuthi bekethandile yena ukuthi kube kanjalo. Uma kuyintando yakhe makwenzeke.
So what has been said ukuthi Shuthi, the name of the guy or the boy who this tragedy happened to, baku Simpiwe Umcebo Biela, and the man that you saw speaking now was his dad. So Shuthi, allegedly what has been stated, Tiwa Shuthi bekhona laba base-varsity, my students ase-varsity, they were drinking wherever they were drinking, and then ended up getting a lift ebhasini. Allegedly they were also demanding ukugibela ebhasini ibathathe iyoba drop her off to the nearest tavern. Then ikhona ebhasini kuthiwa basusa umsindo and stuff. Driver decided ukubadiliza. The driver decided to ukubadiliza. Then mayibadiliza ke because now besebelwa ney'ngane, provoking lengane zase high school. So kwathi bayehlaka ebhasini, mabehla ebhasini lento angazi ngizoyithini mina nje. Behle ebhasini, oceda kwehla ebhasini Shuthi when some kids they got off, and when they got off laba bebehlisiwe base UJ ended up having to catch up with the kids bebhasi Shuthi because ebhasini bekuba ngigqoko apparently la abase UJ bebeveza ubuqhwaga babo and all of that, and Shuthi ke balwa nalomfana lo to a point bamshanga basketball bat, to a point ukuthi they ended up slitting his throat opened. And then Shuthi ke the news got to the boy's father, and then the boy's father, that's the one who was speaking on that video that you just saw. Moya mphansi nje. I just don't know what to say, you know. Angazi ngizothini. You know, I cannot even imagine the condition that this boy was in, the pain he felt. You cannot, hey? I cannot. It was even stated with this guy was a quiet guy, but even if you were just not quiet, no one deserves this. No one. I do not want to lie. No one deserves this. And for a parent to even see their child in the state that this man is saying, and he cannot even describe it properly, cannot even talk about this, and Nangas, I do not know what to say. Ezinye izinto ziyabhora mfethu. Ezinye nje izinto ziyabhora. Yazi into makuthiwa nje iyabhora. This is one of them. Now sekuzomele bezwelwe-ke laba abasemajele, kumele kube njani ejele bazokhona ukufika befunde bebe yintontoni. Ingane abantu ayisekho. Yazi ayisekho. Kanti sani ihlungu ezingaba fethu enisenzayo? What do you get? What did they get after doing what they did? And angifuni ukuba khona umuntu ozositshela la to come and try and tell us no bebedakiwe cha keke. Nakho nathi sidakwa utshwala. Nathi utshwala besidakwa. But akwenzeki uthwale usibone sesi behind amabhasi noma kwenzeki futhi kube khona isidumbu esiphumayo makuphuza thini. Kanti niphuza kanjani? Niphuza kanjani on a serious note? Mina leti yangibhora yazi. Ayicha nanyanyisa bafita ngifuna uqamba niyanyanyisa. These guys nje yabo if bekwenzeka ukuthi bekhona i-death penalty bekumele nje kube beyithola i-death penalty. Yazi khona abanye abantu ofuna ukuba torturisa that you do not just want to kill them fast. Abanje ngathi ngalokhu ba torturisa laba nje kufanga ish. Yabhora le ndaba le. Mina ngibhora sho. Angazi nami yazi ngithini. Angazi. Yazi angazi. Umuntu ungene kanzima evarsity. Omunye uthi ukuthi khona kuyo le group le khona ekhaya kuba bahluphekayo. Kubhekwe yena. Kusetshenzwe kanzima ekhaya ukuthi azagcina kwazile ukufika evarsity. Nango kusehlangane nabangani hayi cannot only just look at guys mina nginankinga ukuthi mayifika imoshela impilo yakhe. Problem iqala mase nifuna ukuthi ni recruit. Cha yabe inkinga iqala lapho. Uma seniqala senifuna ukurecruit abantu enze ukuthi manimosha impilo zenu bese nifuna nabo ukuthi niba involve. Kungeke kumosheke yenu nje kuphela impilo futhi kumosheke nezingane. Cha lapho kuyabhora ke. Kashima, I feel sorry for the family, even this father. Lo baba yasho ukuthi ebengazi ufika thini. Nina senabulala. Guys, I don't know what to say, Shem. Go with video.